So hi, I just made this. I just have to make this video. I hope I'm clear because at the rooftop it's really windy here, but I like the view and how relaxing it is to be in here. That is why I am here filming. But the reason of why I filmed this video is because I have this idea, and I told you that in my uh last other video, which is the reali- the reality of a beginner, episode 1. I told there, I guess that I'm not sure what exact video is that, but I told there that if I have ideas, write it, take note of it, then do not just take note of it, then do it na lang talaga. Because uh, I will forget what I am going to say if I will gonna let uh if I will wait for my filming day to film it. So right now, even though it's not my filming day, but I do have free time because my second semester doesn't start yet, does not started yet. So I have a plenty of free time after my duty at the cafe. So what I'm going to do is that film as much as possible, as much as more videos, because I will not I will have this kind of free time again for another 5 months or 4 months. So today I this idea came in my mind that it's kind of funny to hear from someone who is just sorry, my phone can you hear me? Okay, my phone literally dropped. But so it's really funny to hear from someone who is just 19 years old. And yeah, even though it's funny, but I do have sense in my mind, so I just really wanted for you to hear this, even though I'm just a 19. So, so when we are here, and the thing that my point is that is that you know what was that? My point is that this vid I always encourage young people that is in the age of 16 to 20 to really start early, because if not now, then when are you really going to start? So this was a hard realization. I learned this one in the hard way because when I was 16, I was already taught that I can gain a lot from making a YouTube channel. What I did is that uh, I overthink. I struggle. I was like struggling in perfectionism because before I would film a video, I would plan. Yes, of course, you need to plan. But what I did kind of planning is that it's super extra mile plan that at the span of 4 years, I didn't create much. So, and I was like, if I will not do it, if you will not do it now, then when? So, I think for me, it was just a right time because as of the moment, I feel like filming videos isn't a burden for me. And like, I was building my confidence at that time. So it was really like, really the right time. But if you want to do something, then start right now and do it exact after you think about it because you will not lose something if you will do it right. So for me, it's like I learned that in a hard way, but I want to tell you this that you have to do it because you will waste time and energy and just with just that it's like you will regret it and uh I guess um because you're not really working on it, I guess you will just bury it and let go of that dream of yours because you feel it's so hard. But in reality, if you just start working on it and then build having a build practicing to do it, you will because I believe this something that you won't really be good at something if you won't let yourself to to be a beginner at it. For example, me right now, it's I don't know if someone would watch this video because why would you watch me, right? But I'm filming this and I'm going to post this. I Even though someone won't watch this, if I will get better at this and I keep doing this, then you will see me in the future that the time will come that you will be searching my name on YouTube search and then watch all my videos because you are gaining something from what I am talking. So why I am sharing this and why I take time doing this. First is that I want to share a lesson that as at as a an early, I want you that at an early age I want you to you know start already because you will not lose. You will not do something, right? Hi, sorry about that. I really have a hard time finishing a long form video because my phone is really full storage and it's really testing me if I would continue to do this. Even though my phone is bursting out because I'm always full storage, but I think that's it already. So I suggest you guys start now because if not now, when? That's it.